Hello friends, I am Sudipta Sarkar and this is Coding Knowledge, and today we are going to see how we can use a for loop in our programming. So I have already told you that there is three type of loops: for loop, while loop and do while loop. So today we are going to show about for loop, how we can use a for loop in our program. So in the last video I have already show you that why we need loop with this program, that I am doing multiplication of two numbers using addition. So what we have done, that a equal to 10 and b equal to 10, and we have to find a into b. What a into b will do, 10 into 10 equal to 100. So as a is already 10, so we have add b with a for 9 times and we get the result 10 into 10 equal to 100. Now if we compile this program and we run this program, you can see the result is 100. As I have printed here, the result is %d comma a. So a value is 100, that's why 100 is printed by the place of %d in the console. So now I am going to do this program using a for loop. So how we can do it? Now I am deleting this all the line. Now what we have to do, I have already showed you the format of for loop, that we have to initialize first. So what we have to initialize? A initial value by which we are doing the loop, or by which we will control the loop. Loop means a number of certain times we will work on the statement. So if we consider that the initialized value is I, so we have to declare obviously a I variable. Either if we do direct initializing in for loop in C programming, basically we have we will have an error that we have not declared the I variable first. But in C++, when we will learn C++, we can see that we can initialize I directly in for loop, like int I equal to 0. But here we have to first declare int I before the before using of the loop. So for I equal to 0. Why 0? It is necessary to know that when we will work with further things in C, we obviously, especially in array or string especially, we have to initialize the value I from 0, because there is an index position starting with 0. So I will teach you it about later. So we have to know that we have to initialize I from 0 always. If we have option, then we can use or we can initialize I from 1 or 2, whatever we need. But in generalized cases, we have to initialize I from 0. So it is initialization portion. Now after this we have to give semicolon, as I have already shown you in the previous video. It is the format of for loop. Now we have to do the condition, we have to write the condition. So what condition we need? That we have to run the a plus b command, that we have already done a plus equal to b for 9 times. So we have to do here I equal to 0 whenever I will be 9, or for 9 times as we run the statement a plus equal to b. So we have to give the value of I till it will not 9, we have to run the program. So we will run I 0 value from its 9 value. So what we have to put the condition? I less than equal to 9. Sorry. So if I equal to 0, means initializing I. If the condition I is less than equal to 9, then only then the performance within the for loop will be done, and then semicolon, and what incrementation and decrementation operation. I will uh, tell you incrementation and decrementation operator in details, because it has prefix, postfix, many operations, and we have to understand it very well. But for now I am doing I plus plus. What it will done, what it will do, that it will increment I value by 1. Means I plus plus is mean that I equal to I plus 1. That if I equal to 0, means that I equal to 0 means I is initialized by 0, I is primary value is 0. So now the condition will be checked, that is 0 less than equal to 9. Yes, 0 is less than equal to 9. Then the performance will done within the for loop. We will go to give the performance or give the statement within the for loop. Whatever we give the statement, if I will less than equal to 9, only then the statement will be performed. And after performing the statement, it will return to the for loop incrementation portion or decrementation portion. That is I plus plus, means i's value now incremented by 1. That is, if I value is 0, I value was 0 first, then after performing on the base of condition statement is true, conditional statement is true, that 0 is less than equal to 9, then the statement will perform, and then I value will be 0 plus 1. That means I value is 1. Then again the condition will be checked, like I means 1 is less than equal to 9, so yes it is. Then again the performance will be done in for loop, and again I value will be incremented by 1. That is, last value was 1, now the present value will be 2. Is 2 less than equal to 9? Yes. And then again the statement will be done. So till the time I value is greater than 9, then the loop will be stopped. So if incrementation portion give the value of I 10, that is whenever I equal to 9, yes, 9 less than equal to 9, 9 is equal to 9 actually. So as the less than equal to condition is right, so the statement will be run under the for loop, and then I plus plus means I value will be 10, and 10 is not less than equal to 9, so then the loop will be break. So now we are going to do the statement under for loop. What we have to do, a plus equal to b. So I am telling you what it will do. Basically it is said dry done. You can see, if I equal to 0, means I is initialized by 0, is 0 is less than equal to 9, yes, then a plus b equal to 10, means what is a value, 10, and what is b value, 10. So a value will be add by b value, means a's new value will be 20, and again I value will 1, and 1 is less than 9, so a's value is 20, b's value is 10, b value will be added with a value, that's mean a equal to, now it is 30, and like this it will be run again and again, whenever the value of I will be 10, it will be break from the loop. Now we save it, and then we will compile it. Yes, it has no error, and then we will run it. You can say the result is 110. Why it is? Because a value is already 10, so we have to run it for I am doing it like this because I have to show you that why we are using this 0 and why we use I equal to 1. Now here we need to run I value for 8 times basically, because a value is already 10. If a value will be a value will 0, if a value uh, is 0, then it is work perfectly. But as a value is already 10, so what we have to do, if we do this, that I is less than only 9, then it will run perfectly. You can see this. Or we will do another thing, that I equal to 1 and I less than equal to 9, only then it will be perfect. You can see there is no error, and now you can see that the result is 100. So that's why I have done the I equal to 0, but we need the I equal to 0, this position, that I equal to 0 and this, for an array structure we have to do this format, because the array index is starting from 0 position. So that's why we need this configuration in generalized purpose. That's why I show you this like this format. So here is all about the for loop. So that is for today. If you like my videos, if you like my channel, you can follow my channel, you can subscribe my channel, and please hit the like button. And after subscribing, get sure that you have pressed the bell icon in all notification. That's whenever I upload a new video about C programming, you will be notified as soon as possible. Thank you very much.